start making your angels.
You need to stand up, Jonathan, otherwise
We're gonna see. Are you gonna see it? Okay, guys, stand up. Here they are.
You need to start to look down on them.
I am.
I don't know how.
Okay, guys, come on. We're gonna make another snow angel. You ready?
How? Help me, Dad.
Come over here. You make one right here in this virgin powder right here.
Yeah, Nemo.
Okay, make one here. Try not to get all wet. It's beautiful. Here, come on. Lean back. 1, 2, 3. You're gonna fall backwards. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Okay, snow angels.
Is there no ham sandwich or anything, Jonathan?
No, because Stella has a little bit of pepperoni on hers. So
There wasn't much ham. There wasn't very much chicken. How could you make 5 sandwiches after the
oh, you'll see. I have.
Getting up next.
That's if I have magical powers. Okay, get up, guys. Get up, guys. Okay, here we are in Central Park, February 2013, after Winter Storm Nemo.